I'm gonna start cutting these. Make sure you bend those fingers in. So the trick with the garlic and the knife, you kind of want to place it down underneath. Crush it a little bit, you heard a little crack, and it should come off easier like this. Like I said, it should. There we go. There we go. Now with this, I'm gonna try to mince it up as much as I can because I'm gonna smash it all together, kind of make a paste to blend in with the sauce. Yeah. Coming down a little bit. So I'm going with another piece. So there we go. Put the lid. This is how our sauce turned out. Not too much chives. It's about 4 and not too much garlic. Looks pretty good.
Guess what's that done? The cookie. Chicken.
Yeah, we'll show you when our chicken's cooked on one side and ready to go on the other side before we add cheese. Okay, so now that, as you can see, our chicken is cooked nicely. Smell good too. We're gonna grab some cheese. For this, I honestly prefer a pepper jack cheese, but we don't have that today, so we have these two options. I think I'm gonna use mozzarella.
And I'm not using nothing.
Because we kind of still keep it, there it goes, cool, cordial, and healthy. We already had our pan kind of heating up. Just gonna get a few pieces here. And let them toast. And we like to use wheat bread, keep it healthy.